Stop.
Hey, that's what
You can't go there anymore. If you go there again, but I am issuing the warning to you now. If you go back there today, tomorrow, next week, next year, they're going to arrest you for trespass. Spent the better part of the last 4 years in and out of custody for one thing or the other. Before you know it, 20 years will have passed and you will end up in such a bad place. You're going to look like the things that on the street that you'd never think that you would be. You to have any threatening or harassing contact with them. What is threatening or harassing doesn't matter what you think. It is what they perceive. So if you go like this, is that threatening or harassing? It most certainly is. And it can land you back in jail. Do you understand? Sir, you're charged with criminal trespass. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. Looks like your case is extremely old. It's 714 days old, sir. They've given you multiple PR bonds. I guess we should be happy that you made it to court.
On October 25th of 2022, HPD officers conducted a trespass investigation at the Icon gas station located at 7997 West Airport Boulevard in Harris County, Texas. Officers advised that the location has an active trespass affidavit in effect. Officers advised that they observed the defendant standing on the property next to a posted no trespass sign. Officers advised that they also made contact with the complainant, an employee of the gas station, who advised the defendant was trespassing at the location.
Had he been previously warned not to be there? Or was it just a no trespassing sign and he just goes there for the first time?
So, Judge, it's the defendant and multiple other males. There's an active trespass affidavit on file. They approach this defendant. They find marijuana on him after they detain him. They ask him multiple times if he would be willing to participate in the marijuana diversion program. He refused several times. But I don't see anything.
No priors?
I don't see anything about the complainant.
So, look, when you show up to court, good things happen. I'm going to find no probable cause in your case now. But I want you to understand, you are now on notice. You can't go back to this gas station. Stop.
Hey, that's what
You can't go there anymore. If you go there again, they're going to arrest you for criminal trespass. I'm finding no probable cause now because I don't see that the prior warning was issued. But I am issuing the warning to you now. If you go back there today, tomorrow, next week, next year, they're going to arrest you for trespass.
Just get caught even about you trespassing.
Mr. Anwar, listen, it's not a discussion. They have the right to tell you they don't want you there, and they don't want you there. Find another place to go to. Now I'm going to find no probable cause. You're free to go. Okay?
And I'm following dismissal now, Judge.
All right, man. Take care.
All right, so I'm good.
And show up to court. Show up to court.
Hello, sir. How are you?
So, Mr. McCoy, let's talk about something funny.
Okay.
Actually, it's not very funny, but it's actually quite sad. Your lawyer came to me, was it yesterday or was it the day before, asking for a PR bond?
Monday.
Asking me to give you a PR bond. Do you think that was a good idea? To give you a PR bond?
Are we looking at the history? Okay.
You've never, ever once appeared on your own here when we give you a PR bond. Every case that we have with you sits at around 10,004, 10,005, because you never appear. When you come to court, good things happen. Yeah. Do you understand? If you ever need help, if you need a place to sleep, if you need food to eat, if you need a cell phone or tablet, anything you need, all you have to do is come and ask, and we will bend over backwards to help you in any way that we can. But when you continually fail to appear, you become a flight risk, and we just can't trust you. So he came to me asking for this PR bond. I laughed because I know if I give you one, like little wings on a bird, bye, you just don't come. Next time, if you pick up a case, come and we'll help you with whatever you need. I don't care what it is. Anything you want, I'll give you. You want treatment, you want help, anything. You now stand charged with criminal trespass. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You've worked out an agreement where they're offering you 30 days in jail with credit for the 12 days that you've done. You're giving up a lot of rights by entering into this agreement, Ms. McCoy. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization under federal law. You give up the right to appeal. You know, you've spent the better part of the last 4 years in and out of custody for one thing or the other. Before you know it, 20 years will have passed and you will end up in such a bad place. You're going to look like the things on the street that you'd never think that you would be. If you continue at the rate that you are, you need a change before you really do some damage that you can't crawl out of. How do you plead to the criminal trespass? Guilty or not guilty? It's all right. You know what we're doing, right?
Do you want me to talk to her for a moment? I don't.
No.
Okay.
I mean, your plea, you know what we're doing? We're doing a plea for guilty, right? Is this what you want to do?
Yes, sir.
All right. All right, ma'am, I'm going to find you guilty. I'm going to follow the agreement. Come back next time. All right, good luck. Thanks.
Thank you.
Was it 13 days credit?
12.
12.
Conditions for Mr. Bardan.
Okay.
BARDAN.
So you got appointed Mr. Albardan?
Yeah.
Great. Okay.
He has a residency restriction to stay away from his father's house. That's where him and his siblings live. And I want to approach you about lifting that up to no harmful or offensive contact.
And I'm okay. So he's Mr. Albardan. Come on up. Your lawyer wants me to change the conditions so that you can go back to the house. But I want you to understand that if you have a very tumultuous relationship with these people where you're always butting heads with them, it's not going to go well. I don't want you to have any threatening or harassing contact with them. What is threatening or harassing doesn't matter what you think. It is what they perceive. So if you go like this, is that threatening or harassing? It most certainly is. And it can land you back in jail. Do you understand? So if you cannot be nice and if you cannot get along with brother and sister or dad, be very careful. Because if I get wind that it's not going well and that you're threatening or you're putting anyone in danger or you have a weapon, I will put you in custody. You understand? So, okay. All right. I'm done.
Thank you, Judge. I'm excused.
Thank you. Mr. Albardan, the only thing I'm taking off of the protective order is the residential restriction. Everything else in the protective order stays. So if you threaten them, if you harass them, they can charge a new case on you. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. And if you can file, no, now we need, yeah. So, Mr. Reedy, we need new bond conditions. He can't leave just yet, so we need him to sign no threatening or harassing.
Right there, not to leave.
Okay.